Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, it will consist in how to use Acorns to start investing as a beginner. Let's get right into the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and the like button, because that's going to help this content reach other people. Acorns is a great app for people who want to start investing. The reason why it's a good app is because you don't have to understand the stock market that much. You have an option to choose from a portfolio. So right now, I'm gonna go to my Acorns account so you guys see how it works. Screen recording already? Is it? There we go, screen recording. So now I'll open Acorns and put my face. There we go. Face ID. So as you guys can see, it has 3 accounts. I have 3 accounts, but you can only get 1 account if you want. You could get the investing account. That's what the video consists mainly on, only the investing account and how to use this app to start investing for beginners. If you want to get started in investing, this will be a good app because you don't have to understand the stock market that much, or you don't have to pick individual stocks. You will have to just pick a portfolio that fits the best for you. There's different portfolios, so let me show you. And that right there is true, guys. Every market downturn has ended in an upturn. So despite of these crises, this stock's going down, and the stock went down, and basically it would just end up going up. So right now, where do I go? Portfolio. Where you guys see portfolio, it says aggressive. My portfolio in Acorns is aggressive, but there's other that could best suit you if you're just getting started. Let's get into them. As you can see, this is the aggressive. Large company stocks, it will consist of 40% of that. Small company stocks, 20%. Emerging market stocks, 10%. Real estate stocks, 10%. And so large company stocks, 20%. So that's my portfolio that I picked. So basically, they will be taking care of my money. By choosing this portfolio, they will know what type of investor I am. So they will get I'll have to do like a survey, stuff like that. They ask you some questions so to choose between these portfolios. So you have conservative. This is one of the most passive ones, more safe. As you can see, it has other type of investment. Ultra short-term corporate bonds, short-term government bonds. So it's bonds. So bonds are pretty safe. So that's why this is a conservative portfolio, and you can switch it up. Moderately conservative. Large company stocks, 24%. Small company stocks, 4%. Real estate, 4%. Government bonds, another corporate bonds, large company stocks. So you can see they're putting some stocks with bonds, so it's more passive, but going to a little bit more. It's conservative, but a little bit more aggressive than the full conservative because the other one based is on all bonds. This one right here in moderate, large company stocks, 29%. Small company stocks, 10%. And you can see the large company stock continues to increase from every portfolio that goes more to aggressive, so we'll continue to increase. Emerging market stocks, real estate, 6%. Real estate, government bonds, 20%. Corporate bonds, 20%. Now moderately aggressive, this is another one. It consists in 38% with large company stocks, small company stocks, emerging stocks, real estate, government bonds, corporate bonds. So you can see how it changes from all these stocks. There's 5 portfolios you can choose. Any of these could suit anybody. Everybody's different, so I advise you to pay attention to these portfolios and pick one that suits for you. I personally have the aggressive portfolio. So once you choose the portfolio, Acorns will be taking care of the rest. You just have to fund it, basically. Right here we see another feature that is called roundup settings. This will help your portfolio grow because when you link your card, your debit card, your regular debit card, spending card, to this investment account and to Acorns, from every purchase, they will round up to the nearest dollar, and they will use those cents to reinvest to your portfolio, to this investment stocks. So right here, when it's that's the roundup settings, I have it set up automatically. Right here, whole dollar roundups, 2 link cards. I have my Wells Fargo card and the Acorns spend card. So I have 2 cards because the other one is the card that I got with Acorns. That's the spend card and the spend account you guys saw at the beginning. So recurring right here is $25 every Friday. I initially started with $5 every week and it was every Friday. So I advise you to start small and then grow from there. I start with 25 right now, but I recently paused it. So every Friday, $25 will be taken out from my account and will be deposited to this investment account. So basically, this is perfect for beginners because everything is automatic and set up for you. You just have to basically open an account, link your card, pick a portfolio, start saving up, and during the time, if you want to start 5 every week, that's a great way, but you have to start somewhere, and with this app it makes it easy for you. So that's why it's a great app for beginners to start. Now I'm gonna go over here where it says past, and I'm gonna go to my investing account, and right here you will see what consists in your investing. You will see all the recurring investments, all the real roundup, the real-time roundups. That's because of my card, they're real roundups. And you will see my dividend payments because I have been consistent on my portfolio. You will see referrals, total investment, dividends, total gains and loss. And right now, because of the market is going down, I have lost significantly a little bit, and so that's why it's low. But I don't let that change any of my strategies that I have. So I will continue investing here $25 every Friday, like I have. And I basically have this month about 4 or 5 months ago. Let me see. Since July. So we can see how the portfolio increased, and this increase is the reason why it has increased like this to 119 over here to 600 right now, or at the moment it's at 5 something, is because of 25 every week and the rest of roundups. So for everybody, growth will be different depending on you and depending also on the portfolio you have. So that will be all. And if you go over here, invite friends, get 150. So I will be leaving a link down below if you guys want to get this, open an account with Acorns. If you guys want to open an account with Acorns, I will leave a link that you guys use, and you guys could get $5 to start up investing, and I will get $5 too. And if other people do it, 3 people, I'll get 150. So that's cool. So I will leave the link. I will leave the link down in the description. There we go. So like I said, guys, Acorns is a great app for people who want to start investing because it's basically automatic for you. You just have to set it up. You have to link it to your account, choose a portfolio, and just be consistent with it, and you will see over time it will grow. And you can start small, you don't have to start big. Like I said, $5 a week, it's not that much. It's like a cup of coffee, so it doesn't hurt you, and you will definitely see some gains in the long term. So it's a great app for people who don't have the time to invest or who don't know how to invest. It's a great app because, like I said, it's automatic, and you just have to choose a portfolio, set it up, link it up, and you're on the way to become an investor, basically. So guys, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Any comments are welcome, and I'll be making more content for you guys, and I appreciate your time. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.